The first thing that comes in mind when you first hear about Entity Framework is, of course, what is Entity Framework? The purpose of this lecture is to help you better understand what exactly Entity Framework is and how you can benefit from using it. Entity Framework was first released in 2008. It is an object-relational mapper, that is an ORM tool. It is nowadays open source. It allows you to work with databases using .NET objects. It allows the developer to write less data access code and much faster. And data access is performed using a model, that is an entity data model that consists of entity classes and derived context based on the database. There are several ways of creating the model. For example, you can generate the entity data model from an existing database, or you can create from scratch in order to match the database or even create a new database. So you can either visually design the model or specify the domain classes with code and then generate the database based on this model. In Entity Framework, you can query data using the language integrated query, that is the powerful LINQ, and the available versions and editions currently are Entity Framework 6 and Entity Framework Core. You can learn more about Entity Framework using the below link. The first version of Entity Framework was first released in 2008 as part of .NET Framework 3.5 SP1 and Visual Studio 2008 SP1. Several years later, we have Entity Framework version 6, which runs on .NET Framework 4 or later and runs only on Windows. Entity Framework Core is a lightweight, extensible, and cross-platform version of Entity Framework. It was first released in 2016. It is cross-platform, so it can run on .NET Core, which supports Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, and .NET Framework on Windows. It offers new features that would be added in Entity Framework 6, but still lacks some features Entity Framework 6 has. You can check the comparison matrix for Entity Framework Core and Entity Framework 6 using the below link. The benefits of Entity Framework are many. First of all, there is one common syntax for all object queries, that is LINQ. It is very easy to implement create, read, update, and delete operations. It reduces the development time and cost. It auto-generates code. It allows you to visually design data models and mappings to databases. And it is a fast and robust way to develop data applications. This video is part of my online course, Entity Framework Getting Started. Check the video description for enrolling to the course with a major discount. Thank you for watching this video.